Hello everyone, I am Ram,
Priyanka Razoria,
Nitin,
Sohit,
Vaishnavi from India.
Dubai.
India.
Nepal.
from India.
I'm here to share my experience about how I celebrated Holi back in India. Holi is often described as festival of colors. We celebrate Holi by throwing colors at each other, splashing water and dancing.
Holi in Nepal, it's also called as Phagu Purnima, which means full moon, and it typically falls in the month of Phagun. As my childhood, I remember Holi as being most fun festival as we would have a school holiday. We would be playing with our friends and family with colors and water balloons and lots of water, and nobody would be there to say, hey, no water today.
Holi is basically a festival of colors. Back in Dubai, even though it's an Arab country, we have a lot of Indians over there, so we end up celebrating it a lot. So every time we have the functions, there will be tickets on for sale for very cheap. So all of our friends, we go together, we have fun, we dance on Bollywood music, which is one of the best, in terms of dancing. And we go on the groove, we eat a lot of food, we drink.
Holi is a festival about the colors. Each color has some symbolic. Red is for love and green is for new beginnings. And I can give one suggestion how to take care of about celebrating the Holi, about the colors, about like for your eyes and hair, and you're how to not supposed to eat food like when you're celebrating the Holi, and you can't take the drinks.
Holi is one of the vibrant and joyous festival of India, which falls in March, and this is also significant for starting the season of spring and the end of the winter, where people join together to celebrate the Holi with lots of colors.
There are a lot of myth in Hindu myth that signifies importance of Holi, but to me, I think I would like to believe that it's the festival where we celebrate victory of justice over injustice, and it is the victory of good over evil. The color that we use also signifies different meanings, like red signifies power, blue signifies Lord Krishna, the color of God, and green signifies new beginning, new harvest.
Most of the places celebrated with lots of delicious food and sweets, flowers. People splash each other with water, colored powders. In my case, I enjoy it a lot with my friends. The very first thing on the Holi day I do is I go to my friends and take whatever the color I found it and throw it on their faces, and we celebrate it on the road with lots of music.
This is my first time away from home. I'm glad we are celebrating Holi at Snow, and I hope this gets as excited as it back in home. Like in one line, it's kind of musical concert with colors.
Snow is giving this opportunity to celebrate it here. I'm very thankful for it.
It's very special to me and all my friends because Holi reminds me of the amazing times I had with my friends. I would definitely love to keep doing that more and more, even in the US. I'm glad that I'm celebrating Holi here in Snow.
It's a festival full of colors, fun, and togetherness and family and bonding. If you ever get a chance to visit Nepal, then you should not miss the street festivals in Kathmandu during Holi. Thank you.
Happy Holi to all of you.
And let's join us together to celebrate this Holi in Snow. Thank you so much.
And happy Holi, everyone.